Next up is the full unboxing and the foolproof installation guide. First, let's break down the packaging upgrade. The bottom of the box still features a visual exploded layout design, clearly presenting every core component, key selling point and specification through icons, real product images, and text descriptions. Let's start the unboxing. The entire package features comprehensive shock-proof protection. The water block comes with a built-in 6.67-inch 2K 60Hz curved display and an integrated aluminum alloy body. The radiator features a 29mm thickened design, along with 400mm premium tubing, exceptional flexibility. It also comes equipped with 3 EM1 high-performance cooling fans that support synchronized ARGB lighting effects. The pump head comes pre-applied with TGB 300 high thermal conductivity paste. Here is our full platform mounting kit. It includes brackets compatible with Intel LGA 1700-1851, as well as AMD AM5, AM4 platforms. Let's begin the pump head installation by walking through the setup process for each platform separately. First, let's start with the AMD platform. Step 1. Locate the AMD socket and socket screw. Insert them through the side slots and secure them in place. Step 2. Take out the motherboard and remove the stock backplate. Position the water block by aligning one mounting hole first, loosely securing all screws. Then tighten them diagonally in sequence before fully fastening them. The pump head installation for the AMD platform is now complete. Next is the Intel platform. Step 1. Locate the Intel backboard and Intel screw. Place the Intel backboard behind the motherboard and secure it using the standoff Intel screws. Step 2. Install the Intel brackets by inserting the screws through the center slots and fastening them securely. Step 3. Position the pump base onto the motherboard. Align one mounting hole first. Loosely secure all screws, then tighten them diagonally before fully fastening them. The pump head installation for the Intel platform is now complete. Radiator installation. Connect the fan extension cable to the ARGB power cable. Then, use the short radiator screws to secure the radiators. Cable connections and power setup. The ARGB power cable. Connect the power cable to the motherboard's CPU_fan header and the lighting cable to the 5V ARGB header. The second cable is the pump power cable, which connects to the motherboard's PUMP header. The third cable is the display USB cable, which connects to the motherboard's USB header. Screen installation. Align the display's USB-C male connector with the female port on the pump base, and it will magnetically snap into place automatically. NEOX curved and XD3 triple screen, shared pump base, swappable display modules. The display supports reversal installation and 180 rotation. It also features a vertical sliding module design that conceals the tubing outlet. Visit the official website, then click Support, then click NEOX Liquid Cooler software to download and install it. After installation, view clear real-time hardware stats, CPU, GPU temp, network speed, and more. In the top right corner of the software, you'll find the Settings button. Once inside the screen settings, you'll see two main sections and online customization. We've prepared a selection of beautifully animated wallpaper ready to use. You can also choose which hardware data to display, such as temperatures, frequencies, and usage statistics. You can customize the layout as well, which offers a variety of stylish display formats. Tweak screen brightness, sleep, and mirror modes in top right device settings. If you'd like to use your own animated wallpapers, click Online Customization. There are two available modes. The first is Full Screen mode, which allows you to upload multiple animated wallpapers. During upload, you can customize the crop area. Once finished, click Apply to save your settings. Multiple uploaded wallpapers support sequential or random playback. Customize hardware data text color in device settings for consistent visuals. The second is Split Screen mode, allowing different wallpapers to be uploaded to the left and right display sections. Once uploaded, simply click Save and Apply.